Hello friends, I hope you will be fine. Today I made an amazing video about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Galaxy Z series is famous due to its unbelievable battery timing, performance, and its big display. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is launched on August 11th, 2023. In this video we will talk about specification and features of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 in detail. Let's start this video. It supports 5G network with Nano-SIM and eSIM or dual SIM. Dimensions: unfolded 154.9x 129.9x 6.1 mm, folded 154.9x 67.1x 13.4 mm. Weight: 253G, waterproof, IPX8. Display: foldable dynamic AMOLED 2x, refresh rate 120 Hz. Screen size 7.6 inches. Resolution 1812x2176 pixels. ppi density 373. Operating system: Android 13, One UI 5, 1.1 OS chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, GPU, Adreno 740, RAM and ROM, 256GB 12GB RAM, 512GB 12GB RAM, 1TB 12GB RAM. Back camera 50MP wide, 10MP telephoto and 12MP ultra-wide lens. Selfie camera 4MP. Wi-Fi, yes, Bluetooth 5.3, A2DP, LE, USB Type-C 3.2, OTG. Sensors: fingerprint, side-mounted. Samsung Pay, Visa, MasterCard certified is available. Battery type: LiPo, non-removable. Battery capacity: 4400 mAh. It also supports 25W wired fast charging, and it have 15W wireless charger. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is available in icy blue, phantom black, cream, grey and blue color options. The price of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 in America is $1799. Price in Europe is €1899 and price in London is £1749. So friends, if you like any feature like large display, amazing processor, wonderful camera result of this mobile, then tell us in the comment section, and don't forget to click on subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching the video. Good luck for the next time.